Look of the Irish. I found a Newmar. Happy St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, 2022. I have a beautiful 2017 Newmar Bay Star Sport, floor plan 3306, ready to go home with you. This coach looks brand new. We're gonna take a little time to do a walk around, just a quick outside, but when we get inside, the options on this coach are absolutely going to blow you away because there's not a lot of gas motorhomes out there, gas under 34 feet with bunk options on them that are residential quality, because this is a Newmar. This is built like a house. CSzopa, guys. Like and subscribe at the little link below. If you like what you see, I would love your feedback. Thanks. Follow me. Check it out, guys. Look at the paint. The paint is bright. It's BASF paint. This looks almost brand new. You guys can come up close with the camera and check this out. This is a 2017. This is a 5-year-old motorhome. I call it 5 years young. The coach looks exceptional. It's a bunk model. That's why you see the double windows. So again, under 34 feet. When we go inside and actually go over the options with you, this is the kind of coach you guys can plan for with the grandkids, extra family members. Pretty much anybody that's gonna have some sleeping space on the coach is gonna feel comfortable and right at home. So let's head inside, follow me. So the darker earthy tones were the option sets for this 2017. The darker brown couches. This palette doesn't exist anymore with Newmar. However, if you were interested in some of the darker tones and not show marks and things from your shoes, this is a good option to look at because you have that medium glazed wood. So it's a little lighter offset on the lighting. So when it's a nice sunny day at the campground and the lights glaring in, the coach does not feel overpowering dark from the wood and the cabinetry, just that setting alone. Both captain's chairs do swivel around. They're 360 chairs, so when everyone's hanging out and talking to each other, they can kick their legs out and have forward-facing conversations. Again, this is a gas coach, so we are on the Ford F53 chassis. This is a Triton V10 motor, 2017. This is a 6-speed, 320 horsepower, 460 foot-pounds of foot torque. Coach drives like a dream. It's a wonderful drive. It's a residentially built motorhome like I was mentioning outside, so it rides heavier on this Ford chassis. Bunk model. Lots of sleeping around. The booth dinette is a drop-down sleeper. So if you guys want to get cozy and watch the TV, put a bunch of pillows and blankets, you could sit comfortably in the corner there, put your little cushion on top of here and watch television. Or if you're playing cards with the family and everyone wants to have a nice place to play, clearly this is the perfect setup for you. That couch is not a sleeper. This is not a fold-out mattress or anything of that nature. It's called a jackknife. So this bottom part basically pivots out. There's a little locking mechanism that I'll find here for you, and unlock it, and it swivels forward. So you can figure one full-size adult, maybe 2 small children, but this is not a standard sleeper for 2 adults. Let me just keep that in mind. But I am harping on that very heavily because the Luck of the Irish has brought you today a bunk model, and I have 2 sleepers right here for 2 more adults or 2 more children. Yes, bunk model under 34 feet. That's a big deal on a gas coach, especially from Newmar. Newmar does not make a lot of bunk models. So to find this and be available is a big deal, guys. It is a big deal. 4-door Norcold fridge. I actually said it right that time. I have another video out there where I use it as a tongue twister. 4-door Norcold fridge. 4-door Norcold fridge. I can do it now. And this 4-door Norcold fridge has the ice maker on the left and plenty of space and storage for all the standard residential items you're going to put inside of here. It is a single bathroom galley coach, so directly opposing the bunk sleepers is the bathroom space. I'm going to hold the camera door open for Gary and his camera so you guys can kind of take a pan through there. You have a back set toilet, large counter space where the sink, stainless steel sink is placed, and that is a 30, granted, scratch that, that is a 40 by 30 shower. Yes, and I didn't even look the first time. I just guessed the numbers, but that's a 40 by 30 shower. So residential, plenty of space to stand in there. Any full-size adult's going to have all the room to take a shower. And that leads us back into the master's quarters of the Newmar. Big back set window. Not like you need it when you're driving down the road to peek your head back, because you shouldn't be doing that. You got a backup camera up there. But if you happen to look back and you're backing into a campground space, that big window lets you see the area behind you. In this case, this campground, since we show other coaches, has a motorhome behind us. We still have about 3 feet, but that is a nice accent feature to have, separate from enjoying it from the bedroom, but from a mobility standpoint of just moving the motorhome around. What size bed? Queen. I heard you thinking about it. I saw you right there going, just tell me the size of the bed already. It's a queen. Slow down. Storage, storage, storage. These large compartments you see on all Newmars under the bed, this box here, this is the slide rail mechanism for the slide feature. So this east to west slide, excuse me, scratch that, west to east slide, when it rides in on the rail, this is the mechanism driving it right under the bed. But you do have storage on both sides of that queen set mattress. So, what do you guys think? Is it the right floor plan? Is it the right colors? Is it the right setup? If this is the right motorhome for you, you guys know what to do. The name's at the bottom, the phone number's at the bottom, and the email is as well. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to take you on a test drive and walk you through this great coach, guys. Have a great weekend. Have a very safe and happy St. Patty's Day today and every other day. God bless. Thanks.